Put it down, put it down, put it down!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're heading to Okinawa World today and we are also going to Peace Memorial Park. So that's the plan for today. So we're gonna enter the cave right now. We just got our tickets. We paid 2,500 yen for our tickets and we got $1,000 gift card. We're actually gonna get something to eat first and then go to the cave. They're gonna have an animal show right now, a snake show, and I'm gonna go and watch it. Tomi's not with me because she's afraid of snakes, or she doesn't like snakes, so she's not gonna view it, but I wanna experience it, you know. This is so creepy, yo. Guys, OMG, this freaking thing just frightened the hell out of me. Jesus. I'm gonna get out of this place because I am freaking scared. And I'm the only person that's in here. I'm gonna go find a show. He's sleeping or she's sleeping. Look at these little turtles. Focus. Can you see those over there? I'm seeing 3 or 4. Then over here, there's so many. Hello, little guys. Hi, guys. Guys, I am scared of snakes. Tell me why am I here where the snakes are. Oh, what are these bats? Guys, I'm finished with the snakes because I'm getting a little queasy. I don't like snakes. But I need to find my way out of this place to go to the other section. Cave. Guys, let the adventure begins. Okay, wow. So I'm going downhill. So I'm all by myself. I don't know where Tomi went. I know she went into the cave when I went to the snake show, but I don't know where she is right now. And I want to experience this out of everything else. So I'm here by myself. Anyways, guys, let me just and hope for the best. I hear talking. Yes, I see people. I see people. Thank God. Whew. I'm not alone. If you're gonna come to Okinawa World and you're gonna come in this cave, just ensure that you come with people, because in here is really scary, especially if you're by yourself. Because gosh, as you can see, you can hardly even see me. It's actually raining outside. I'm not sure if it's water from the rain or if it just really has water. Wow, this is nice. Tomi, girl, I finally see you.
I've been waiting for you for like
Girl, the cave is so freaking long, isn't it? Big.
a big cave.
Yeah, because I was in there and I'm
Bought a
like,
photo?
yeah, it looks really nice.
Let me see.
They sold me on the photo, so I bought a photo thingy for 1,300 yen. Let me show you guys. Even though I wasn't ready, I wasn't fully prepared, but I think it looks really nice. What's the name of this fruit, guys? I don't know, but it looks like mango. It's a guava tree and timberline. What's that over there? Is that banana? Oh yes, it is. Lots of areas in Okinawa reminds us actually of Jamaica. Like just here, we're at the same Okinawa world. Just some little areas around this place reminds us of Jamaica. Here we're seeing a lot of trees and stuff like guava tree, timberline you call it? Gibberline? Whatever you want to call it, that fruit, yes, that we know in Jamaica. I'm seeing that one. And a lot of others, literally right in front of me. This one. A tree. And then, I don't know what's that. What's over there? Guys, we found coconut.
Go and take it.
Guys, we're out here drinking coconut water. You don't know? Yeah.
Outside.
The girl them outside.
That is literally the only time you've ever remembered a line, and that is what you remembered? Oh my god! Wow!
Even among girlies at Okinawa. Tomi! Yeah, girl. Anyways, guys, we're gonna go try on some kimonos and take pictures at this place. Yes. Same Okinawa world. Guys, I'm gonna get my feet eaten by these fishes and I am super scared. It's like a tickle.
It's not ticklish, I just feel weird to have the fish by your foot. See, boy. Don't kick the fish.
Put it in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put it down, put it down, put it down, put it down. Put it down. No, she take it back out. Wally, look at me, guys, taking it like a pro.
It feels so weird. I chickened out. He's taking it like a pro, but I can't. Honestly, I can't do it because it's a very weird
You're
feeling.
just very mean to the fishies. They are hungry and this is all they eat. You're a horrible person.
No, not at my expense. I'm sorry, guys, but you can't eat my foot. Sorry, it feels so freaking weird, man. I can't. Look at this. Come in there. Oh, hell no. It's about 5 o'clock now. After 5 and it's raining. We won't be going to Peace Memorial Park today. I don't know if we're gonna get another chance to go, but I have no idea. But we're gonna this place is very big. We're trying to find the exit so that we can go home and go freshen up so that we can go out later for dinner with the girls.
Later that same evening.
Alright guys, so we're at a very fancy restaurant. Arigato.
Oh, okay.
Oh, this is it.
Oh, okay. Can't say that's nice enough.
Thank you.
Yes.
Ooh.
Very, very fancy.
What is this?
Konjac. Konjac.
What is that? Okay. Arigato.